Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this. Okay, um, so this one. Let's start. So first, let's create a project, and I'm going to just place some reference plans. Okay, so the size and the shape will probably won't match this one, but it's more about the method, so some ideas about how we can do this using some we're going to use mesh and also mesh floor. So let's pretend this is the same size of that middle point, middle part. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a model in place mesh. Okay, so hang on. Before that, I want to create some more reference plans. I'll explain them later. Okay, so for these reference plans, I want this one in the middle. Okay, so I use equal, and also I want these two equal as well. And then maybe this one, I want this one to equal to this one. So maybe I'll just type in a number, so maybe 1 meter. Okay. And also same, this one I'll use 1 meter as well. So okay, so now let's do it. So first I'm going to hang on, we need more. So this will be the elevation, so it will be start from top, go down and go up again. So we might need some more reference plans. So I'll just draw some there for now. Later we can adjust them. Okay, so now let's go back to ground floor. So model in place, mesh, and OK. And OK. So now let's create some reference line. So we're going to use spline through points, and then going to pick the level 1. Okay, so pick the level 1. Let's start. So first we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this will actually because this is ground floor, so we need to go up so we can see this. Okay, and then we need another one, so another spline through points, same, draw a work plan, and maybe change this to level 1 again. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So then we need another one. So actually I forgot to draw a reference plane in the middle. That's okay. So let's do this. I'll just finish mesh and RP, create another reference plane in the middle, and then I'll just use dimension and equal it. So now we need to go back to the mesh, but because we only have 2 reference lines in the mesh, we won't be able to see them anywhere. Okay, so you can do it here. So if you go back, you go to your family on the mesh, you will see it here. And then if you right click, you still can't edit it, but you can do this. So right click on this one, and you can select and in the view. Okay, and then you will see this edit in place. Then so that's it. So now we need another one in the middle. So the middle one, so if you go look at this image, so the middle one will be should be the flat. Okay, so the middle one will be flat. So you just need 2. So still we're going to use spline through points, draw a plan level 1 and 1, 2, and escape. So now if you go to 3D view, you will see these are the three reference lines. Okay, and then let's go to elevations. So go to elevation south. Okay, so this one should be, I'm not sure which one, because there are two. So maybe we can do this. So I'll close all the windows and close all the views, and then also open the 3D view WT. So now we can see both. So 1, 2, 3, and in the elevation. So if you select this one, I'll tell you this is the front, the one. So front will be the south. So this is the south view. So now we can adjust the height. Okay, so first let's do it. So I'm going to select these three. Maybe I'll just move them down to here. So now we have this shape, and it's already quite close to this, but you can still. So for example, I'll just move this point by, down by 100, and then look more. I think maybe a little bit more, maybe another 100. Yeah, I think that's all quite okay. So see, this one go up a little bit. So you can move this point too. So for example, maybe I'll move it to here, so close to here, so it will almost, you won't see this going up. So I think it's almost flat. It's the same. I'll just move this to the right by 900, so it's only 100 next to that one. So looks like we need to move this reference plane as well, but I'll just leave it for now. So this is, looks like I moved both of them. So why? I don't know. Oh, looks, maybe I select that. So maybe we can do this. So select here, go to here, and then move them back. Okay, so I'll move them back here. So maybe this time we need to move up. Okay, so hang on, this need to go up as well. So maybe go up 400, and then I'll select all these three and move them up. I'm not sure how. Maybe 3 meter. That looks like, yeah, I'm not sure, but it's more about the idea. Okay, so that's I think that's good. And then so now if we select these three and create a form, and you will see. So actually, let me just give it a material so we can see it more clearer. And then let's just create a new material, and I'll just give it, I'll just use this gray color. Okay, so house shade, yes. Okay, so this is roughly the shape of this, but as I said, we're going to use a mass floor. So if I finish, let me just close this one. So if I finish this mass, okay, and then select this mass, we won't be able to create a mass floor because we need a solid. So this is not a solid, this is a face. So what we need to do is we need to go edit in place, and then select this. So we need to select all these. So we need to dissolve this, just get rid of all the surface, and then we select these 1, 2, 3 reference line, and MV move. Oh, sorry, not MV. CO copy. Okay, so CC copy them down. So let me just copy them down by, I'm not sure, maybe 400. Okay, so now we have these two reference line, but it's not closed. So what we need to do is we need to create a spline through points and then make reference line. Spline reference line. Spline reference line. Same here. Spline reference line, spline reference line, spline reference line. So now we can select 1, 2, 3 and create form. So this time, let me change the material again, and you will see this is a solid mass. So with a solid mass, if you finish mass, you can select it and you can create mass floor. But we will need levels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll create multiple levels. So let's go to front. So we'll start from this so AR. Before that, let's go back to this image. So if you look at here, so I'll guess these are usually stairs are around 180, 190, and also the seats usually 400, 450. So but today I'll just use 200 for the stairs and 400 for the seats. Okay, so now I'm going to just array and by 200 up, and then I'm not sure how many I need, maybe 32, maybe more, 40, too many, maybe 36. Okay, so that's it, and then we can select this mass, create floor, create mass floor, select all these levels. Okay, so maybe I'll just unselect the level 1 because it might overlapping with some other levels. So I'll unselect this. Oh hell, I didn't check the box, and then go back to I'll uncheck the level 1, maybe uncheck the ground floor as well, and okay. Okay, it looks like we are having some issue at this. Looks like we have some issue. So only create these floors. To be honest, I don't know. Let's try again. So if I create more floor, I'll check everything and only check some of the upper levels, see what happens. Maybe there are too many. Oops. Oh. Why is this happening? Let's try again. So if maybe let's select everything. Okay, so select everything. Fail to create. To be honest, I don't know. Okay, so let's pretend we only need these. Okay, so we only need these, but because actually, so these 200 levels are for the stairs. Okay, so which means we don't need, we only need some, at the front. So see these at the front, they are used as stairs. So maybe we can do this. So for this mass, so I'll just edit in place, and let me ungroup all those levels for now. So ungroup all those levels. Okay, so select this mass, edit in place, and for this one, because we only need that part, so maybe we can just create I'll just create a void. Okay, so I'll use this, and let's go to the top view, and I'll just draw a box, a rectangular shape, and then I'll just select this reference line, and I'll just start this from the edge, and I'll make this stairs 1 meter wide. Okay, so now we can select this profile and create now let me just create a solid form first. Okay, so now let's have a look in create this solid form. So this is solid, yes. So maybe we need to drag this down so it will, cut a whole mess. And then we can change this to avoid, and then that's it. So this part of will be stairs. So we can select, try to select, finish this mess. Yes, finish this mess. And then actually, so you can see all these mesh floors. Can you see the mesh floors? So if I select this one, HH, and then you will see these are mesh floors. So from these mesh floors, you can place floors on them. So we can do this. So floor here, floor by face. Okay, so and then select all these mesh floor and create floor. So now you will see these are floor. So maybe instead of 150, so the easiest way is we can just create a 200 mil floor. So there will be no gap between those floors. And I'll select all these 150 floor and change them to 250 or 200 floors. And then if you go to messing inside, you can click on this one, so it will hide the mess. So now you will see this is looks like it's very stable, but yeah, the idea of this, so imagine if this shape go up. So I'll just quickly show you. So you can always change the shape of this mess. And so if I go in edit in place, and I'll select, so I'll maybe select these 6 points. Okay, and then I'll just click on the front. So we can just use keyboard, go up, go down. Yeah, I think that's good. Maybe these can go down a little bit. Okay, so now, and then you can just click on finish. Okay, and then the floors won't automatically update, but you can select all of them and click on this, so it will go up. And of course, this floor will not. You need to just delete them. So then that's it. So you can go back to mesh and side and hide this. So something like this. Okay. And also, okay, so now let's show the mass and let's create part of the seat. Okay, so I'll select this mass and I'm going to Control C, and then I'll just modify and paste aligned to same place. So now I have another mass here. So I didn't click anything, so I still have the new mass selected. So we can directly just edit in place. And for this one, I'm going to just, so see, this is the profile for the void. So we just need to select tab, select this edge, drag this to this end, and then it will I think it will create a void. So yeah, I think it's already done. So let's just finish mass and then have a look. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So you will see this is the mass. So the back part, so, and then this is the front part of the mass. So now looks like there's still some issue of the mass floors. So let's try. Okay, so let's have another try. So mass floor, but this time because we the seats are 400. So instead of select all this, we're going to. So first, I'm not quite sure about these levels. Maybe not these two. And from these ones, maybe I'll just uncheck every other level. So okay, so uncheck this. 21. No idea. So I think if we do this, we can create those mass level with 400 millimeter gap. Okay, so looks like it's working here, but I'm not sure why it's not working. To be honest, I don't know. If I'll see if I can. So if I adjust this a little bit, so see if it will work, and finish. Still doesn't work. Let me just HI, edit in place, and maybe move these points up a little bit. So see what happens. So move up a little bit, and finish mass, and HR. Yes, it worked. Yeah. Looks like we need to uncheck one of the level here. So there's another. I think it's probably because previously there's the level of the floor. Previously that floor is it's tangent to a level. That's probably why it's not working. But anyway, we need to get rid of that level, so which is that one, I think. So this is level 21, but I think it's already unchecked. It's already unchecked. Anyway, there must be a level there. So let's just go to elevation so we can tell. So which is this one. So if I select this level, oh sorry, that's level 1. So select this mass again, go mass floor, uncheck the level 1. Yep, click OK. That's it. Great. So now, yeah, looks like we need another one at the back. So for the stairs, but for this exercise, I'll just skip that. Okay, so now we can just create floor. Use this one. So let's do floor, but this time we'll create. Maybe we need to create 400 floors, so there will be no gap. Okay, so select and OK, and then select all these mass floors, and create floor. And then now if we go massing and side, and this is it. So we'll see. I think it's quite it's good for concept design. If you're just doing some concept modeling, I think this is good. But later on, so when you do construction drawing, you still need to work out. So we won't have 400 mil floors. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. And also, if you have better ideas, please let me know. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.